Hi everyone, welcome back to another class of Reggie's Learning Tips. Today we are going to study some questions from vector algebra. Exercise 10.4, 8th question. Okay, if either A vector is equal to 0 vector, B vector is equal to 0 vector, then A cross B is equal to 0 vector is the converse true. Justify your answer with an example. We already know that vector A is equal to 0 and vector B is equal to 0, then we can say that A cross B is equal to 0. Okay, it's the converse. Converse means if A cross B is equal to 0, it is not necessary that vector A and vector B should be 0. If vector A and vector B are parallel, then also vector A cross B can be 0. Okay, just this we can illustrate by using an example. The example is that vector A is equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Then we can write vector B is equal to 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap. Okay, then vector B is equal to lambda times of vector B is equal to 2 times of vector A. Then we can say that vector A is parallel to vector B. Okay, if they are parallel, then theta is equal to, if they are parallel, if vector A and vector B are parallel, then theta is equal to 0. So, vector A cross vector B is equal to modulus of vector A, modulus of vector B sin 0, that is equal to 0. Understood? You can give any example. First you should write vector A, then you multiply vector A with any constant. Then you can show that vector A is parallel to vector B. If vector A is parallel to vector B, then A cross B can be 0. So it is not necessary that vector A and vector B should be 0. Understood? Okay, then we can see next problem. Find the area of the triangle with the vertices A112, B235, C155. Find the area of the triangle. How we can find the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to half modulus of AB cross AC. Okay, that is the formula for finding the area of a triangle. Area of the triangle A is equal to half into magnitude of AB cross AC. Then first we should find AB. AB is equal to, vector AB is equal to, A is 112. So first we should write vector A, that is equal to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. Then vector B is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Then vector C is equal to I cap plus 5J cap plus 5K cap. Okay, then next we should find vector AB. How we can find the vector AB? Correct, x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. Okay, then we can find vector AB is equal to 2 minus 1. That means 1 I cap plus 3 minus 1, that is 2j cap. Then 5 minus 2, that means 3k cap. Then next we should find AC. Vector AC is equal to Z minus A. Okay, C minus A. 1 minus 1 means that is 0. 0 I cap. Then 5 minus 1 means that is 4j cap. Then 5 minus 2 means that is 3k cap. Okay, then we should find AB cross AC. AB cross AC is equal to, determine IJK AB, that is, then you should write the coefficient of IJK, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then next 0, 4, 3. 0, 4, 3. Okay, then you should find determinant of this AB cross AC. How we can find this? I into we already know that we should remove this column and this row. Then we will get 2, 3, 4, 3. We will get I into 2 into 3 means 6. 6 minus 12, that is minus 6. Then minus j cap into minus j cap means we should remove this column and this row. Then we will get 1, 3, 0, 3. 1 into 3 means that is 3. 3 minus 0 means that is 3 only. Then plus k cap into, then we should remove this column and this row. Then we will get 1, 2, 0, 4. Then 4 minus 0, that is 4 minus 0. That is equal to minus 6 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. That is the value of AB cross AC. Okay, then we should find the modulus of AB cross AC. Then area A is equal to half into modulus of AB cross AC. Vector AB cross AC, that is equal to half into root of minus 6. Minus 6 means that is 36 square means 36 plus 9 plus 16. That is equal to half into 36 plus 9 means 45. 45 plus 16 means 55 plus 6 means that is 61. So 61 by 2. That is root of 61 by 2. Half into root of 61, that is equal to root of 61 by 2, that much square units. Okay, understood? Okay, first we should find AB cross AC. After finding AB cross AC, then we should find area A is equal to half into modulus of AB cross AC. Then we will get root of 61 divided by 2 square units. Understood? Okay, then we can see next problem. Then 10th question, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors. Vector A is equal to I minus j plus 3k. Vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j plus k. Okay, we have to find the area of the parallelogram. How we can find the area of the parallelogram? Whose adjacent sides are given. Then the area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A cross B. Okay, here A and B are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then we can find the area of a parallelogram by using the formula magnitude of A cross B. So then area is equal to magnitude of A cross B. Then first you should write A cross B. Then you should find out A cross B, that is equal to IJK. Then 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7 1. Then that is equal to I cap into, then you should remove this column and row, minus 1 3 minus 7 1. Then minus 1 into minus 1, that is means minus 1. Then minus 7 into 3 means that is minus 21. So that is equal to 20 plus 21. Then minus j into, then we should remove this row and this column. We will get 1 3 2 1. 1 into 1 means that is 1. Then minus 2 into 3 means that is 6. Then plus k into, then we should remove this row and this column. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 7. 1 into minus 7 means that is minus 7 plus 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 21 means that is 20 I cap. 1 minus 6 means that is minus 5, then plus 5 j cap. Then here minus 7 plus 2 means that is minus 5 k cap. Then we should find the area of parallelogram, that is equal to modulus of A cross B, modulus of vector A cross vector B, that is equal to root of 20 square. 20 square means that is 400 plus 5 square means that is 25 plus next minus 5 square means that is also 25. Then you will get 400 plus 25 plus 25 means that is 450, root of 450 square units. Okay, understood? Okay, then we can factorize this root 450, we can factorize this, that is 5, then 90, then we can use 5, then here 1 5, then 40, 18, then 2, then got 9, then 3, then 3. Okay, then we will get 15 or root 2 square units. Am I correct? Then the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors vector A is equal to I minus j plus 3k, vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j plus k. Then we can find the area by using the formula, that is modulus of A cross B. First we should find the A cross B, then you will get 20i cap plus 5j cap minus 5k cap. Then you should find the modulus of A cross B, that is root of 400 plus 25 plus 25. Then you will get 450 square units root of, that is equal to 15 root 2 square units. Am I correct? Okay. Okay guys, study up to here the remaining problems we will see in the next class. Until then, bye bye.